What's happening? I'm going to show you how to put or how I put a castle nut on a airsoft rifle. This is a very cool little piece of gear tool. This is from Vism, V-I-S-M. Comes in the box like that. And this is a great thing to use while working on your components. It keeps everything very secure and straight and true. Now, it'll function regardless of how this is clocked, but this keeps it perfectly timed and clocked, and just a great piece of kit. This isn't the only way to do it. It's just the way that I choose to do it. You can also use things like one of these bad boys. But it's important to have the tail. This is more for an upper receiver, and it keeps everything lined up that way. So for this, probably better. And what it does is you have to take off your handle. So this will slide over your handle grip, and then it locks in, and it's perfectly true and straight. So all you got to do is set this up. This is also good for your airsoft 10s. And we'll get that locked into the vise. And then I already got this set to 40 foot-pounds. We're going to use our Tacticon armament tool and get her lined up, get her in there, and get your hand on there, and there you go. That's it. Always remember to keep your hand on here so you can you don't scratch your buffer tube. Anyway, there you go. It was that simple, and great tool. I think I spent like 40 or 50 bucks or something like that. They have all kinds of different ones. There's ones $60. There's a $300 and something one that's a very, very nice tool. It's a little bit the big green one. Anyway, check these guys out. You won't be happy. You'll be happy you did.